Hi, this is Mike Lugaitis from the Chicago office of CBiz Valuation Group. My purpose for making this video today is to help you understand a little bit about what happens during a complex insurance claim. This is when you've had a fire, flood, tornado, other form of major catastrophic loss. Sometimes it can take as much as 9 months to settle one of these claims. It can take a year. Problematic claims can take even longer. So this is to help you get through that process, maybe quicker than that, and for you to find out how we can help you throughout that process. We can break claims into many different categories, but two categories that I'd like to talk about today are liability claims and property and casualty claims. A liability claim has a third party making a claim against you and your insurance company. So you're the first party, the insurance company is the second party, and the person making the claim is the third party. That type of situation creates a commonality of interest between the insurance company and you because you're both looking at a third party. Contrast that to a property and casualty claim. With a property and casualty claim, you've got you making a claim against your insurance company. So you're the first party, the insurance company is still the second party, but there's no third party, and it's you and the insurance company dealing with each other. So your commonality of interest is not as close together. Many companies have quite a bit of experience working with their insurance company on liability claims. For example, workers' comp claims. In a workers' comp claim, there are a number of issues that you'll be going through with your insurance company, and you're working through them together because you have more knowledge of what happened in that claim. And also, unfortunately, it's more common to have either a workers' comp claim or a liability claim than it may be to have a property claim of a magnitude that is created by either a hurricane, a flood, or a fire. In the situation where you have a property claim and you eliminate that third party, it's often helpful to have experts of your own to help you guide your way through that. And of course, your first and most important expert is going to be your insurance broker or agent. I often think about an insurance claim as a pyramid. The very simple claims have one person involved, usually an adjuster that's appointed by the insurance company after you report the insurance claim to either your agent or your broker. Then you get the next level of complexity where the adjuster doesn't have enough background or information to handle the claim completely by himself, and so he has to bring in some functional expertise. Usually the first type of expert that they bring in is a building expert, someone who can tell what the structural damage is to your property. Then the next level of expertise might be an equipment expert. If you've got the type of equipment that needs to be repaired that's of a specialty nature, those type of pieces of equipment would probably require an equipment appraiser to give you the value of those pieces of equipment. Then the next level is when he brings in a forensic accountant to help him tabulate the numbers and keep track of the documentation that is being presented in the insurance claim. And then you can add additional functional specialties from there, such as environmental experts, chemical experts, various types of engineering experts. It depends upon the complexity of the claim. It really helps if you have experts of your own to match against the insurance company's experts because they're going to be asking a lot of questions and they're going to need a lot of information. So you have enough personnel and staff in order to run your business. But do you have enough personnel and staff to run your business and answer the number of questions that the insurance company is going to be asking of you? And most businesses don't. You simply can't afford to have that many people on staff. That's where it becomes important to come up with a one-to-one correspondence between the experts that the insurance company puts that out in the field versus your own experts who are loyal to you. That way, those two experts can talk in their own language that's the jargon of their expertise. At the end of the day, it's extremely important to keep a positive attitude throughout the entire process, to be as forthright and honest as you can be. The other thing that's very important to remember is that the insurance company is your partner. You couldn't exist without insurance, and they couldn't exist without policyholders. So there is a commonality of interest that you share. Having experts that you've retained that are loyal to you is very helpful in keeping this positive attitude. Basically, these experts have seen a lot of insurance claims, and you may not have. You have enough staff to run your business. You may or may not have enough staff to run your business and follow through with an insurance claim and make it an effective presentation. We're here to help. I would urge you to buy claim preparation insurance coverage, and I would also urge you to hire experts who you trust and who you can work with.